Hello guys, this is Manny with United Real Estate Infinity over here in Fort Myers to let you guys know that we closed on this home over here in Lehigh Acres 304. Was one of the highest priced homes in this neighborhood. Let me show you what it looked like inside. I know you guys are gonna love it. It's really, really beautiful. A home built in 2019. It's almost brand new. Wait until you guys see this bathroom. You guys are gonna love it. Look at those countertops, level 5 granite. Wait until you see the shower. Beautiful, gorgeous, huh? Double shower heads. Pebble rocks. Hey guys, so you guys know, if you guys are considering or have any thoughts about selling, hey, let me know. I could help you. 239-822-0937. I could show you, I could guarantee you that we could get your house sold. If you want to know more, give me a call. 239-822-0937. Thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the little tour.